welcome. Today is Martin Luther King Day, so happy Monday and happy Martin Luther King Day. I actually was craving like these oatmeal protein balls. I'm like, well, I might as well just try to make them. I see a lot of people making like the protein balls. However, on TikTok I seen one where this girl made like almost like this cup almost looking with like chocolate on the bottom, and it just looks so bomb. So I figured I would try to make that, maybe like add some caramel. I have some sugar-free caramel, some light syrup, I might add peanut butter, and yeah, so I figured I will try to make everything that I do down below. So if I follow a recipe or if I make it myself, I'll put it all down below. It'll be Monday the 18th, I believe, and let's make some delicious oatmeal ball thingies, whatever I decide to make. Alright, so I have 1 cup of rolled oats. You can use any kind of oatmeal you like. The recipe I'm kind of going off of wanted to do like 2 cups, but since I've never made this before, I just wanted to do something like a small batch. And then I would prefer unsweetened coconut flakes, but all I have is sweetened. Actually, I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon because I'm not a huge fan of coconut flakes like I am, but they can be a lot, you know. Add 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chili, just mini chips. I might just do 1 because I don't like too many chocolate chips, which is weird, I know. So far it's looking like that. Good portion, I feel like. And then now in another bowl, I'm going to add my nut butter, my caramel peanut butter, which is the nut butter I'm using, peanut butter, syrup, vanilla, and caramel. And I'm actually going to heat it up and get it all melted. Right, and to make them a little bit extra proteiny, I'm going to add in my favorite frosted cinnamon roll Fit Vibes protein. I'm adding about like 1/4 of a scoop, like that. And then it looks like this. And just give it a little stir. You don't have to add cinnamon or anything if you use this one, because it's frosted cinnamon roll. This one's my favorite. I'm going to calculate this all up and see how much peanut butter and stuff I want to use on my WW app here quick. Alrighty, so I have 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and I'm going to actually use my scale for the caramel section because I don't want to put this on a measuring spoon. So 38 grams worth. This is really hard, you guys. My thing's almost gone, I think, or like it's cold so it won't come out. I mean, light. You can use sugar-free. This would make it less points as well, but you can add 1/4 of a cup of 8 Mrs. Butterworth. So since it's in tablespoons, I'm actually gonna just add my peanut butter. And we're gonna melt this all down. So when we mix it all together with the oats, it'll be way less sticky. It'll be nice. All that peanut butter all grow. Okay. And then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of syrup. I'm just gonna do a little less than 1/4. It's kind of a lot. I'm gonna add a dash of vanilla extract. 1/2. Because this stuff is strong. Okay, so I added that. And then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Like that. And then just give this a good mix and throw it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. See how it's doing, and I'll let you guys know how long I do it. Everybody's microwave is different. Keep that in mind. This is so good. I just tested and tried this. I added a tiny bit of water. So this is what it looks like, 45 seconds. I'm going to add it to the oats super quick. I'm going to give this a good mix. That needs to be taken out. But I'm going to spray this. Oh wow, these are really sticky. So change of plans. We're going to spray our spoon and make little balls. I made 15. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just stick these in the fridge and let them cool down so you can actually eat them without them sticking to your fingers. So I'm just gonna stick them in the fridge quick. Flip it.
Oh, they stuck to my fingers.
Alright, you guys, it's been like 20 minutes, so I'm gonna take this out and see how they're doing. Okay, so they are done. I feel like they look super good. I'm actually gonna try one here. So these are 2 points since I was able to make 15 of them, and I think that they look delicious and caramely and everything I wanted. Okay, ready? I feel like the chocolate did melt because it was like kind of hot, so when I started. Absolutely delicious. Peanut buttery, caramely. Oh. Are you kidding? 2 points for one, 5 points for two, but they're good size, so they're rich, so you don't need a lot. I will link everything down below, description box or in the comments, one of the two. Hope that you guys make these. Let me know. Even if you don't make them, let me know down below, like, what do you think? Like, these turned out super good. I'm actually gonna eat another one, but I want to take a picture for Instagram. Because I really want to share these. They're super, super good, healthy, and like I said, they're only 5 points for two of them. So,